you know? How does the guard catch you, even when you're flying in? Think about it. You're using a jetpack. You're way above the tracks. So how is he still right behind you? Most people say teleporting, but that's wrong. Before I reveal, like and subscribe, or guard might appear at your bathroom tonight. Watch closely next time you play. The guard never actually flies. He never jumps that high either. So how is he always there when you fall? Because he was never chasing your body. He's chasing your run. Every move you make, every path you choose, the game saves it and sends the guard exactly where you will land. That means he's always one step ahead. Not faster, not stronger, just already waiting. So if you hear footsteps behind you, maybe he's not chasing you. Maybe he already knows where you'll fall.